Hello, Assalamu alaikum students. This is D1 Maths. Topic is speed. Book page 222. This is for grade 6 and 7 students. Exercise is 9D, but this is a practice now question at page number 222. I have already uploaded almost 3 to 4 questions which are related with the same exercise, and these you can watch these videos later on if you haven't watched them yet. Okay, let's read this question. This is a quite easy question. A train travels at a speed of 48.6 kilometers per hour. Express this speed in meters per second. Okay, you have been given speed in kilometers per hour, 48.6 kilometers per hour. And you have your first requirement, the requirement of the question, the first requirement of the question is to convert this speed into meters per second. 48.6 I have written as it is. We know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. So in place of this kilometer, I would write 1000 meters, because 1 kilometer, km means 1 kilometer, km means 1 kilometer, and 1 kilometer equals to 1000 meters, because I want to convert this speed into meters per second. That's why I have written the distance now in the shape of meters. We know in the bottom there is time. The time is given in hours. So 1 hour equals to how many seconds? Because I need to convert it into meters per second. I have already converted kilometers into meters, but there is need to convert 1 hour into seconds till now. So how many seconds are in 1 hour? I have already explained in one of my recent videos. There are 3600 seconds. Okay, these two zeros of 1000 will be cancelled with the two zeros of 3600. So these two zeros are cancelled with this. We are left with 48.6. There is no effect on it yet. And multiply by 10 divided by 36 meters per second. 48.6 would be multiplied with the 10. 48.6 would be multiplied with the 10, and we would get, if you do it using calculator, you can. If you can do it manually, if you have been taught in school to do it manually, then you can do that way. But there is a shortcut method, trick, you can say, or many students have learned this shortcut method as well. If you are multiplying it with 10, because 10 has only one zero, so decimal point would move anti-clockwise, or you can say towards right side, it would move one digit, because 10 has only one zero, so decimal point would also move one digit towards the right side. So if it moves, it appears just in front of 6 now. There is no need to make it visible. It is understood that there is decimal point at the end of every digit. If it is not having any decimal point, then that's obviously at the end, but it remains invisible. So 48.6 has been multiplied with the 10, and 48.6 now has been converted into 486, and it is still needed to be divided by 36. And of course you can now, if you can't, but I would quickly do it by using calculator. सो 48.6 को अगर आप करेंगे 36 से डिवाइड, तो आपके पास आंसर आ जाएगा 13.5 मीटर्स पर सेकेंड। बच्चों को जितना मर्ज़ी उनको मैनुअल कैलकुलेशंस वर्किंग सिखाएं, बच्चे फिर भी कैलकुलेटर का ही यूज़ करना प्रेफर करते हैं। अब मैं कोशिश करूँगा इसी वीडियो में इसको सेंटीमीटर्स पर मिनट में कन्वर्ट कर दूँ। मैं ज़रा क्विकली करूँगा, आप कोशिश कीजिएगा, ज़रा अपना दिमाग हाजिर रखें। 13.5 ये वर्ड्स मैं सिर्फ बच्चों के लिए यूज़ कर रहा हूँ, सॉरी, बड़ों के लिए नहीं। 13.5 मीटर्स पर सेकेंड, और बच्चों डोंट माइंड, मीटर्स में कितने सेंटीमीटर होते हैं? एक मीटर में होते हैं 100 सेंटीमीटर्स, और सेकंड्स को मिनट्स में कन्वर्ट करने, वी नो दैट 1 मिनट इक्वल टू 60 सेकेंड्स, और 1/60 करूँगा तो यहाँ पे 1 सेकेंड रह जाएगा, यानी कि एक सेकेंड के अंदर होते हैं 1/60। 13.5 एज इट इज़, 60 ऊपर जाके 100 से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगा, तो वो हो जाएगा 6000, तो आंसर आ जाएगा 81,000 सेंटीमीटर्स पर मिनट। ओके, ये